Oh, behind you!
Ah, they got me. Come res me.
Brayden, what is this? Your report card says you got a C in math. Wait, what is he doing here?
Oh, we're just playing video games.
Hi, Mrs. Baker.
Brayden, I need to speak with you alone. Now. What are you thinking, bringing him over here? Didn't I tell you not to hang out with kids like that? They're nothing but trouble.
What do you mean? Martin's my friend.
I don't care. He has a bad influence on you. Look at how low your grades have gotten since you started hanging out with him.
That's not his fault. Martin's one of the smartest students in our school. You know, you really shouldn't judge someone before you get to know them.
Yeah, right. He probably doesn't even go to school. You know how his people are. After today, I don't want you hanging out with him anymore. Understand?
You almost won. That was insane. Hey, Mom, do you think I can get that new laptop for my birthday? It'll really help me with school.
We'll see.
And that was good.
Oh, here, you can have some more if you want.
Thanks.
You're pretty hungry, huh?
Oh, yeah, I am. So, can I get some milk?
Oh yeah, here, help yourself.
Thanks.
Did you just finish the milk? I was going to drink that.
Oh, I'm sorry. Shoot. I could pour it back if you want.
No, it's too late. Don't your parents feed you or something?
Mom, it's fine. I told him he could have more.
I don't break my back at work all day long just to feed some kid whose parents probably don't work and can't afford to feed him themselves.
Mom! I'm really sorry about that.
I should go. I'll text my dad to pick me up. Hey man, mind if I use the restroom real quick?
Yeah, you can use the one in my bedroom upstairs.
Alright, appreciate it.
Caught ya, red-handed.
Oh, it's not what it looks like.
Oh, you're trying to steal from us, aren't you?
No, I would never.
Get out of my house right now.
But
Now! Don't ever come back here again. My son doesn't need friends like you.
Mom, what happened?
Oh, I caught your little friend trying to steal from us.
What? He would never do that. Wait. Wait. Martin. Wait.
Tell him the truth, Martin.
you want to know the truth? I'll tell you the truth. You see, you say that I'm a bad influence, and that kids like me probably don't even go to school. But the truth is, I go to school every day, and I get straight A's. I even try and get Brayden to study with me. And you say that my parents probably don't feed me because they're poor and don't work. But the truth is, my dad is the vice president of one of the biggest tech companies in the world.
Oh my gosh. Your dad drives a Tesla?
And you say that I was in Brayden's room to steal. But The truth is, I was only in Brayden's room to surprise him. With this.
You bought me a new laptop? Wow! And it's the new one I've been wanting. Thank you so much, man. You're the best friend ever.
No problem. I know you needed it for school, so I asked my dad to help me get it. So you see, I'm not the bad guy you think I am.
I am so sorry for how I treated you. I feel terrible. Brayden was right. I never should have judged you before I got to know you. I had it all wrong. Can you please forgive me?
It's okay. Honestly, I get this all the time. I'm pretty used to it.
You are a great influence on Brayden, and you are welcome over anytime.
Thanks. Well, I gotta go. See you tomorrow at school, Brayden.
See you, Martin. Thanks again.
Hey Darman fam, so you see, we're not just telling stories, we're changing lives. And when you share my videos, you're helping to change lives too. You really can manifest the life that you desire. And even if you're struggling right now, your struggle is your story, and your story is your superpower. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.